Mathematics class for first standard.
Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira.
Children, in the previous class we learnt about numbers from 1 to 9 and 0. In this class we will learn about addition of single digit numbers. Children, addition is a very interesting concept. In our daily life we use addition so many times. When we go to market, purchase things and some other places. The sign indicates addition. It is called the plus sign. Plus means to put together or add. When we add two numbers together, we get their sum. There are two methods to add numbers. They are horizontal method, vertical method. Children, now we will learn about addition by horizontal method. What are these? Yes, these are lollipops. You like it, no? How many lollipops are there? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3. First we have 3 lollipops. Next we have only one lollipop. So we will write 1. What is 3 plus 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum of 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So we will write 4. See the next pictures. What are these? Yes, these are books. How many books are there? Let us count it. In the first group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books are there. So we will write 5. In the next group, we have 1, 2. 2 books are there. So we will write 2. What is 5 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The sum of 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So we will write 7. See these pictures, children. What are these? Yes, these are balls. We play with ball, no? How many balls are there in the first box? There are no balls in the first box. Do you remember, children? There is no one, there is nothing. These terms are represented by 0. So we will write 0. In the next box, how many balls are there? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are there. So we will write 4. What is 0 plus 4? When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So we will write 4. See the first question. First we should read these numbers. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? Here first we have 4. So we will draw 4 lines. For 3 we will draw 3 more lines. Now we will count the number of lines. Altogether, how many lines are there? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 7 lines are there. It means 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So we will write 7. The sum of 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. In the next one, we have 2 plus 3. Here first we have 2. So we will draw 2 lines. For 3 we will draw 3 more lines. Now we will count the number of lines. Altogether, how many lines are there? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 lines are there. It means 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So we will write 5. Therefore, the sum of 2 and 3 is 5. In the next question, we have 5 plus 2. Here first we have 5. So we will draw 5 lines. For 2 we will draw 2 more lines. Now we will count the number of lines. Altogether, how many lines are there? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 7 lines are there. It means 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So we will write 7. Therefore, the sum of 5 and 2 is equals to 7. In the next question, we have 3 plus 6. Here first we have 3. So we will draw 3 lines. For 6, we will draw 6 more lines. Now we will count the number of lines. Altogether, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 lines are there. It means 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. So the sum of 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Children, see the next question. 6 plus 0. What is 6 plus 0? 6 plus 0 is equals to 6 only. Because when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. The next question is 8 plus 0. What is 8 plus 0? 8 plus 0 is equals to 8 only. Because when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. Children, now we will learn about addition by vertical method. See these pictures. What are these? Yes, these are pencils. Why do we use pencil? Yes, we use it for writing and draw pictures. How many pencils are there? In the first box, let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils are there. So we will write 5. How many pencils are there in the second group? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils are there. So we will write 4. What is 5 plus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum of 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So we will write 9. See the next pictures. What are these? Yes, these are birds. How many birds are there in the first group? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds are there. So we will write 6. How many birds are there in the second group? Let us count it. In the second group, only one bird is there. So we will write 1. What is 6 plus 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The sum of 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So we will write 7. See the next pictures, children. What are these? Yes, these are leaves. How many leaves are there in the first box? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves are there. So we will write 3. See the next box. Are there any leaves in the next box? No, there are no leaves in the second box. If there is nothing, what should we write? Remember, children? Yes, we should write 0. What is 3 plus 0? When we add 0 to any number, what should we get? Yes, we should write same number. So 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. So we will write 3. Children, see the first question. Now we should add 5 and 3. Which number is bigger? 5 or 3? 5 is bigger. So keep 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. The sum is 8. So we will write 8. See the second question. 2 plus 7. Now we should add 2 plus 7. Which number is bigger? 2 or 7? 7 is bigger than 2. So keep 7 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9. So we will write 9. So the sum of 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. Now we should add 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7 is equals to 7 only. Because When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So we will write 7. Children, now we should write the missing numbers. The first question is 3 plus dash is equals to 7. So we want our answer to be 7. We have drawn 7 lines for it. But we have 3 in our question. So we will remove 3 lines. How many lines are remaining? 4 lines are remaining. So the missing number is 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. See the second question. 3 plus dash is equals to 9. So we want our answer to be 9. We have drawn 9 lines for it. But we have 3 in our question. So we will remove 3 lines. Now, how many lines are remaining? 6 lines are remaining. So the missing number is 6. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. See the next question. 6 plus dash is equals to 8. So we want our answer is to be 8. We have drawn 8 lines for it. But we have 6 in our question. So we will remove 6 lines. Now, how many lines are remaining? 2 lines are remaining. So the missing number is 2. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. See the next question, children. 5 plus dash is equals to 6. So we want our answer to be 6. We have drawn 6 lines for it. But we have 5 in our question. So we will remove 5 lines. Now, how many lines are remaining? Only 1 line is remaining. So the missing number is 1. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Children, see the next question. Dash plus 3 is equals to 4. Here we want our answer to be 4. We have drawn 4 lines for it. But we have 3 in our question. So we will remove 3 lines. Now, how many lines are remaining? 1 line is remaining. So the missing number is 1. Children, see the next question. Dash plus 3 equals to 7. Here we want our answer to be 7. We have drawn 7 lines for it. But we have 3 in our question. So we will remove 3 lines. Now, how many lines are remaining? Only 4 lines are remaining. So the missing number is 4. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Children, see the next question. Dash plus 3 is equals to 9. Here we want our answer to be 9. We have drawn 9 lines for it. But we have 3 in our question. So we will remove 3 lines. Now, how many lines are remaining? 6 lines are remaining. So the missing number is 6. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. See the next question, children. Dash plus 4 is equals to 8. Here, what is the answer? Yes, 8 is the answer. We have drawn 8 lines for it. But we have 4 in question. So we will remove 4 lines. Now, how many lines are remaining? 4 lines are remaining. So the missing number is 4. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Now we should add the numbers and match it to the group of objects which has their sum. The first question is 4 plus 3. Now we should add 4 and 3. Keep 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. The sum is 7. So we will write 7. Now we should add 6 and 2. What is 6 plus 2? Keep 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 6, 7, 8. The sum is 8. So we will write 8. Now we should add 5 and 2. Keep 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7. The sum is 7. So we will write 7. Now we should add 5 and 4. Keep 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum is 9. So we will write 9. Now we should add 4 plus 4. Keep 4 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum is 8. So we will write 8. Now we should match it to the number of group which has the same number of objects. First one already done. The next sum is 8. Here which group has 8 objects? The group of squares has 8 objects in it. So we will match it to 8. The next sum is 7. Here which group has 7 objects? The group of pentagons has 7 objects in it. So we will match it to 7. The next sum is 9. Here which group has 9 objects? The group of flowers has 9 objects in it. So we will match it to 9. The next sum is 8. Here which group has 8 objects? The group of triangles has 8 objects in it. So we will match it to. Children, copy all the sums from PPT to classwork and do this homework. Complete the page number 69, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77 with the help of video. Thank you, children.